Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something different to share with you guys. Usually, I'm sharing nails and facial products. So today this is something that I'm going to try to make that you use in your hair. I came across this video on YouTube, and she was making a hair growth product with this. It's called Fenugreek seeds or methy seeds. And I ordered these off of Amazon. That's what they look like. But what I'm going to make is a hair oil. Now, the oil I'm going to make, it's good for hair growth. It prevents hair loss, gives your hair more volume and shine, and it helps stop gray hairs. So yeah, I wanted to give it a try to see if I can, if it will work. I want to try to get my hair to get some length and some volume to it. And then you can also use this for a face mask. It helps with acne and dark spots and also wrinkles. So yeah, I've never done it before. This is going to be my first time. So what you do is take a bit of the fenugreek seeds. You're going to put them in some cold water, let them soak. After they have soaked, basically they'll be like fermented. You'll pour that liquid off into a bottle. You can use a spray bottle or a nozzle bottle, and that's what you'll use on your hair. Then you can keep the fermented seeds, and you can use that, like I said, for a hair mask, a face mask. I need to look up how you use it for tea. I'm gonna have to look that up because I did want to give that a try as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make it. I'm gonna have to let it sit overnight. You want to let it sit at least some people say 8 hours, some say 12 to 24 hours. So I think I'm going to do maybe like 12 to 24 hours, let it sit, and then I'll strain it. And then I'll put the seeds, the leftover seeds, in the refrigerator. You can keep them in the fridge for 5 days, or you can freeze them. So it depends on like when you want to use it for the mask, how fast you're going to use it. If it's not going to be, within 5 days, then freeze them. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put y'all in the tripod here. Okay, so I am going to cut a little corner open, and I'm going to put like 3 tablespoons, I guess, depending on how much you want. You put more or less. I'm gonna wow, they have a smell to them. They smell strong. They smell like spices. So yeah, it's maybe strong. So the video I watched, she said that you can do 3 tablespoons. So that's what I'm gonna start off with. Put it right in this. I just got, a glass jar. I figure it would be perfect for this. Wow, it smells like I'm cooking like some Indian food or something. It smells just like it. Alright, put that to the side. So next I need to fill the jar with cold water. Okay, so I just put the water in it. I didn't do anything else. Just came right back so you guys can see. Let's see if I can show you. So you see some are down at the bottom, even some clumped up a little bit. But I have a lid. I'm going to put the lid on it and give it a little shaky shake. And then I just have to wait and let it sit. I'm just going to like give it a little swirl like this. You see them swirling around just to loosen them up. And it says that you kind of want to do that every, little bit while you're letting them sit and soak. So I'm going to let them sit now. Let them do their job. Okay, so I also have another one. Now this one I came across when I was looking for the fenugreek seeds on Amazon. Actually, Amazon was my last resort looking for the fenugreek seeds. You can go to like an Indian store and probably get these seeds from there, maybe a little bit cheaper. I think I paid, they weren't that much. They were about $5-6 bucks. And this is a 7-ounce bag. So I just didn't have time to get to the store, so I went on Amazon. So while I was on Amazon, this popped up, and I thought I would give this a try also. This is by Foodherbs, and it is a herbal hair oil mix. This has 18 vital herbs in it, And this basically does the same thing as the fenugreek seeds. And you can see here, it also tells you the benefits of it. And what you have to do is dip the herbs into 1 liter of coconut oil, and you can use it after 30 minutes of letting that soak. And you refill your oils when it starts to dry out. You do not want this to dry out without any oil in it. And you don't have to only put coconut oil in it. You can add any type of hair oils you may want to put on there. Almond oil, argan oil, you know, whatever you like. So I pulled a few oils that I just have at home on hand that I'm also going to add just a little bit to it. And I'm going to put in this Aunt Jackie's Repair My Hair Argan Oil. It also has this Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it as well. And then I'm going to use this Palmer's Olive Oil. And I'm also going to put some of this Hollywood Beauty Peppermint Oil in it. You put this whole bag in there because you need everything that's in it. And you can see that it's kind of layered, so you can't just take some out. You need to get all of this in there. So I have this huge mason jar that I'm going to put it all in. This is the coconut oil that I'm going to use. It's by Crisco. It's an organic refined coconut oil. Okay, so what I am going to do is start scooping out some of this coconut oil and put it into the jar. Some of it into the jar first, because it's going to melt eventually, so I'm not worried about that. And then I'm going to add this, and then probably some more of this if I don't add the whole amount. So okay, so I have about half of the amount of the oil that I need inside of the glass jar. So I'm going to go ahead now and open the herb hair oil mix and stuff it down in there. And then this is all going to melt as well. So by the time it melts, because I needed, I think, about 4 cups of this in here. Plus I'm going to add that little bit to it, but that's not really going to count because I'm only adding a bit. But by the time it melts, I should, you know, be halfway there. But I'm going to add some more. So I'm going to go ahead and open the herb oil mix. I wonder what this one smells like. I'll find out. You guys take a sniff first. Well, that's a bunch of different scents. It's hit me with a bunch of different scents. It's not bad. It doesn't stink, so that's good because I don't want my hair to be stinky. All right, so put that one on top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the bag upside down and just pour it all in. Wow, it has all kind of stuff in there, y'all. Look at that. It looks like a stick. Let's see. Look at all the stuff. I'll try to show you guys some of the what these herbs are. It says it on the bag. It's pretty cool looking. Almost reminds me of potpourri. Alright. Do I untwine this or just leave it, you think? I'll just leave it. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. Like I said, this is going to melt, and I will show you guys that once it melts and gets worked all in there. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more of the coconut oil. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. I'm going to go ahead and put some of these in. Just a little. Also going to put a little bit of just regular olive oil and let it sit and melt. So I guess I will be back to show you guys the results of this, and then I have the fenugreek seeds here. They haven't started to swell up yet. See if you guys can see. They're still working. So yeah, once this all is settled and ready to go for me to pour in my little hairspray bottles, I will be back to show you guys that. All right, y'all, so this is almost 24 hours. A few more hours, it'll be a full 24 hours that I left it soaking. I swirled it around, you know, every few hours. I don't have the top on it that good. It's leaking a little when I shake it around, but I would do this. And just kind of shake them up a bit. Here's a close-up. So you can tell that they're swollen. You can see that they're much higher up in the jar, and you can see the color of the liquid is turned, and that's the color that I am looking for it to be. Yeah, so right now it's nighttime, so probably in the morning I'll go ahead and transfer these over, you know, take them out, strain them, and get the liquid off of it. All right, y'all, here's the product finished soaking. It's actually been 48 hours. I let it sit for 2 days. With it having coconut in it, you know how coconut oil does, it, you know, it solidifies and turns, you know, back like hard. So all you have to do is just run it under some hot water or let it sit in, you know, in front of a heat bin, and it will melt back down. So I'm going to be pouring some of this oil into one of these, and I'm also going to put some, I saved one of these, like one of my old hair oil with this type of nozzle, so I'm going to pour some into this as well. And then here's the fenugreek seeds. So these, I have to strain this. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys. I'll try, but that's what this is looking like. I did this for 2 days as well. You can tell that the seeds have gotten fat and the color of the water has changed, so that's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and strain the water off of these. I've strained it into this container for now, and you can see it's a brown, like liquidy look. I put the seeds in here that I'm gonna save. I'm probably gonna blend these or something like that to use for the mask. So this I'm going to pour into these. I'm also going to do another batch of this and make it into an oil. This one is going to be my hair rinse. And for my rinses, since this is really all I have right now, I'm going to pour what I can into this. So I'm going to try to do that now. And these I got from Dollar Tree in their little crafter square section. I still have a little bit left, which I may save to make with part of the oil that I want to do. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just going to put it to the side for now, and then I'm going to get this together next. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and I poured the rest of the fenugreek water into this jar, and there was still a tiny bit left, so I added that to my apple cider vinegar hair rinse. Since I'm going to be using this as a rinse, I thought it would be okay to go ahead and you could put it in like your conditioner too as well. So after I did that, I opened this up and I smashed down the herbs down in here so it can get nice, you know, and ground into the oil. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this out into this container I washed from the fenugreek seeds. I washed it really, really good. But I want to pour it first and see how much I can get out of here, because you can't let these get dry. So even after I pour this out, I have to add some more oils to it. So go ahead, start pouring it. So I went ahead and poured all the oil that I could get out. And it's okay that some of the, you know, the stuff is still left in there. That's fine. Even if it goes into the bottle, it's fine. So, like I said, I have this bottle with the nozzle here. I'm going to use... That was super messy, but I got it in there. It's all over the bottle, all over my table, but I'm just going to, I guess, rub it through my hair. So yeah, it's in there. It was enough to just about fill up that whole bottle. I think I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of this back into the jar and add some more oils in it and let it sit. I'm going to go ahead and mark the date because I believe that the stuff in the jar lasts, I want to say 3 months, and the oils last 12 months if I'm not mistaken. Gosh, I have oil going everywhere. If I did not let you guys know the last time, so this is the package that this one came in. It's a little oily as well, but these are all the 18 vital herbs that they have inside of this bag. I got both of these off of Amazon. If you guys are interested in purchasing, I will leave links in my description box, so take a look down there. So when I get ready to make my mask and also do the oil for the fenugreek seeds, if I don't forget to record that and show you guys how that turns out, and I will update you guys on both of the products and let you guys know if I am seeing any difference in my hair growth and volume and different things like that. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this video today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you are subscribed and you have on notifications so you guys will know when the next video is up. Bye, y'all.